I killed him, Jess.
What? Are you insane?
I know, but it was a mistake, okay?
What were you doing here? What are we going to tell the cops?
But it's not like you touched him, did you?
I'm the fucking witness in their eyes.
Fuck.
They are going to separate us, Alice. We are going to that big interrogation room. You fucking big.
Oh, I know. God, just stop and let me think properly. Just for a moment, just let me think. We need to dump him.
What? Where? What do you mean where? By the ocean? Murderer. You're starting to sound like one.
Okay, what else do you want us to
call the cops?
No, we can't call the cops. Look at me. Okay, I am high, Alice.
What were you doing here in the first place?
Okay, listen. We had a couple of shots, okay? And then we drank. And then we danced. And then we got high. And then I mistakenly fell on top of him. And that's how he...